I lost my bag. Tell you honest truth. I drop asleep and I
love you like manga. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like manga. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be vlogging. Yeah, so remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. At this moment I'm waiting on the bus. We stop have long nights because it's currently 5:49 and we still the place look. So that's that. Today is anything but bag day at school. So I'm gonna show them my bag. Hopefully this is recording the sound because one day I'm gonna make a video and no sound over the panic and I did, you know, upset. The bus and now we have Jada. Super much so when we reach half a tree or somewhere. We're in half a tree right now and people literally look for me. People look at my bag. I can't show them my bag yet, so I'm going to school. I show you. So that's about come here nice for interclubbing too.
Creative. Jesus. Yeah, girl.
Guys, I'm at school and we're about to do our temperature check as usual. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm a cartoon.
No, a YouTube video. So we had to do temperature check, brother, and everybody just stay for me and see me as a god. So, mama, brother, in time me I do the video, I just always just my forehead. So we're there at school now. Brother, I'm not do my essay. What essay to do? We have to do that. And all these things. So I'm just going to my class and easy, but I feel like I'm hungry, but mine got too expensive. Nah, I'm money to waste. So that's how we till lunchtime I buy something to eat. Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more. I mean I get my friend them reaction right now when I go in a class with my bag. You see me? My bag all on wrong, but yeah, it's a I can't show no, but I have a video. Basket bag, you see me? So
Abigail.
that's a that. Normal, I like. Our class is empty, as y'all can see. Sabrina just reached me earlier than everybody. Lady carry Coco's bag, and this is my bag. Should I put on a sign with the normal, I like? If you want some people to have a chair look for me, and you want me to smile with the whole of them like me, I say, yeah, girl. You want a near bag, nice. Look at the bags. We wouldn't even make a TikTok, brother. We wouldn't even make a TikTok. Guys, we have Tish here. I don't know what's wrong with her, but she just reached. And look at her face. This will be the thumbnail of my video. Titan carry her big bag. This is literally the best one, to be honest. You can talk to them now.
Hi, guys.
Tell them what
What on with that?
with the sound.
Oh, guys don't want to know what go on. I say after I'm done, Maka juke me. Kind of something and the sound not on the video. More fight. More mash up the phone. Guys over there today. They tell them today anything but what? School back there. And you know the things that you know me have to come with the vibes and the you know you know me have to come with the extra things. Y'all know me. So yeah. But I got the stairs now. Oh you flip that something. Oh you can't flip. But yeah, that's it. Guys, but we're gonna enjoy with it. So yeah.
Chesty Vuitton.
Big good
people want to say it's my bag. Oh my freaking god. Anyways, guys, me I got my farm class now. Is it me? Yeah. Woo! So guys, look at my class and everybody just look at my bag. Is it me? What's your fire for that? Yeah. So there where people been at just they actually forget to me a vlog and it's now lunchtime and everybody just see my bag now because I walk with the camera bag. That's creative. Most of can video and do a TikTok. This, that. So right now I'm going to a teacher that should buy us papayas today. And here we must say if he member or if he's busy or if he's this or if he's that. You see me? So
anyways guys, so I lost my bag. Tell it on the street, I jump asleep and I forgot to carry one basket. So I think I'm a regular next that bag. So I left it in the class. Go back to the bag alone and what's in the big thing for my valuables which are book and pencil. What if?
A lovely teacher right here and all your teacher them buy papayas, they don't buy none for me.
My papa is in there.
See there? Tell them to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Woo! Bye miss. Miss, you see my bag?
Miss, you're foolishness.
So guys, my nice teacher by me and my friend papayas. Let me get them to stir fry. Hey. I'm so funny. Come on, stop video. Let's take on tired, yo. Candice. Wanna allow me? No, I'm not. Oh, she absolutely. We're going to class. Bye. Bye, Stinks. Bye, Stinks. Very tired. What is wrong with this girl?
Hey girl. Oh. Make it a video like that.
What effect? Goodwill. I want it again. Make it increase the existing partner's capital.
What did you do? Dapat isang mana? Tapi kita top.
Ninth of June. What is it?
Miss Owen, I think is the 9.
So guys, class finish. What's your class finish? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wait, is the movie?
Yeah. Wait, that's the book. You love the video.
So this can zoom up to me first. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. It's my day. So school over. So guys, school over and watch them and we literally wait for them. I don't know why my camera looks so from there like stink, literally stink. So tell them to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys.
You better like it, subscribe it. And what? Book you to do what?
She put that for YouTube and then miss it.